Good morning. Today it is Friday 23rd January 2026 and I would like to wish everybody a very happy Basant Panchami. It is a time 11:22 a.m. As now I am from the behalf of Algologic. I am just trying to make this small video for you. We want that what should be the condition today or what parameters we should take so that we can make some option trading calls. That means whether I should buy a CE or I should buy a PE, and in case if I have to buy any option, what strike I'm supposed to take. So we are SEBI registered firm. You can see our SEBI registered number, and this is our website address. You can always go through the website. You can always log in and check all the credentials. So let's get back to the main important business. Um, we Let me take you to our this is very simple trading view. Everybody uses trading view to analyze the chart. As you can see, that market is just hovering between some range. That means it is not going above 25,350 and it is not going below 20,250. That means there is a range of 100 points with the market is just moving up and down, and basically it is trying to take away all the premium from the PE side and the CE side both. So how we will decide that whether we should take today entry or we should avoid, or we have to just watch the trading today, because in the option side when we do a buy trading, we everybody knows that we have a very less chance. That means we have only 33 chance or probability to make money. So that means maximum time we have to wait, and very few times it is a concrete direction on where we supposed to trade in a confidence, with a huge confidence. So all that thing can be built by a small tools. So let me start my tool and we'll see whether we can analyze something or not. So I will take this intraday data and I'll just see whether I have something to analyze or not. Let's see. Great. So it is performing, it is just loading all the data. So I'll just run a small tool which we have made internally. Now if I see my chart, what I just see that market is towards 25,300. If I take the pressure, it is market is taking the pressure by, that means the OI is continuously shifting. If you see here, OI is continuously shifting 23rd, and it is shifting for the strike 25,300. If you see 23rd is a day today, 9:15 it was, P was less, C was less, then P was less again, then C was less, then P is less. That means in case if I take like this reverse side, CEOI was more morning 9:15, 9:20 again PEOI was more, then CEOI was more, 10:25, 10:30 PEOI is more, and at 11:10 again the CEOI is more. After that thing it is just continuously going on. That means it is a fight, that market is not able to decide that which side I supposed to go. And the most important thing is it is fighting for this strike 25,300. That means 25,300 is a very 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 strong resistance, and it is not able to cross that resistance upper side. So what we have understood here is that the pressure what it is building is, it is towards the PE side. That means more and more people they are seeing, I'm talking about the market makers, that means the smart money people. They have uh, taken the position again today towards the PE side, or they will take the position towards the PE side. Why? There are many logics here. As you can see, this Nifty is the range bound, and the best way for these option sellers to make money is, in case if they keep this whole Nifty in the same range bound, then it is very easy for them to take this premium of which started at 117 right now. This call premium 25,300 is 102. That means already they have taken 70 points premium, And similarly, if I talk about 25,300 put options, then of course, if you take the from the high 135, it is 102. That means approximately 30 points they have taken the premium here also. So they are actually eating the premium or taking away the premium from both the option side. So now, in case if they have to take the more premium, so I just consider that we need to see some more data which we can analyze via many tools what we have, as I have just given you a glimpse of our nifty oi dashboard tool. So where we calculate not only the oi, we also calculate many other data sets using the quantitative analysis. Basically, most important is OI dominance. So we see that OI dominance is, as I have clearly mentioned, that OI dominance is more towards the CE side. That means sellers are more towards the CE side, which is approximately uh, 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 quite bigger compared to a PE OI. Second, we see the volume. So in case if I talk about volume, the CE volume is lesser than the PE volume, which clearly indicates that more fresh put activity is towards the downside interest. Now imagine if I just talk about the PCR ratios, where everybody talks about it is just a delta OI. That means the PE delta OI and the CE delta OI, just try to compare, and which is also a lesser than a 1, that is 0.85, which also indicates that there are no bullish strength. That means the fuel which is required to take the prices up, or which will make the market move up, is very less. That means there is no fuel, the rocket not gonna go up. So the we always try to follow the where the money is flowing. So in case if I just see, money is very much flowing from the investment chart. If I just talk about investment side, though money is flowing from P, that means the put side, the profit already, the investment investors, they have already taken 328 crore rupees, and call options, they are under the loss of 85 crore rupees. So basically, what we just feel that call writers are under stress. So they have, in case if you you have, we have a data, I will just mention that when we can also find out the data of stock future, which clearly indicates that more of the sellers, they have made the new fresh position in the nifty futures. So in case if I just tell you the overall quant result, then bias title towards inside range, what we say, the OI dominance is CE and volume dominance is for the put options. PCR is 0.85, profit flow is put side. So that means the downside is more favorable. So probability supports sidewise to bearish move. So today is a market which is good for the sellers, because it gonna be a sidewise, and it will take away the premium from both the sides. So in case if you ask us like, okay, what we supposed to do and how we supposed to do, so we have a very Algologic has a very smart dashboard, which is for the client use. You can see that, not to confuse you, just to train you, the Algologic has already given a one call in put side and one call in call side. Both are buy calls, and timing is also approximately same, 11:20, 11:20. This is only for educational purpose, so that whatever we have just discussed and understood, that depending upon all different quantitative data, what it says, market says that you should remain towards the put side rather than the call side, because the pressure, that's where the pressure is more. So this call has come. Now it is up to you, that in case if you study certain things nicely and you think like, okay, which side the market gonna go. But right now, if you see, 152 rupees profit it is showing towards the call side, and 377 rupees it is showing towards the put side. So which side the call will go, and how much profit target we can keep, and how much stop loss we should keep, is this here. System has given 55 points target and 40 points stop loss. So it is like both calls they have given. Right now system has given both calls, because we are just trying to read and study this one. Now the client has a power to, based on their studies, they can just push this toggle, and moment they push the toggle, that particular call will go to their demat account for the trading purpose. So that is the beauty of this software. That means the system will when right now when we are teaching and learning things, this is clearly indicatable thing that in case if we learn, we get many number of calls. Now based on our study, we will have the whole power to push the calls towards the trading window. So now we see that of course, now see, it was a positive, now it is a negative, and it was a more loss, now the loss is reduced. So as per the data what we have understood, it clearly indicates that market has to go towards the market is having more pressure towards the put side rather than the call side. So in case if we have to make a decision that which side I supposed to take now or after some time, it is purely on us. So let's come back to the trading thing, and here we see that it is still nifty is having a pressure of 2650 and all that thing. That means in case if you want to take a put call, then this nifty has to come up. That means in case if it is towards 25,300 towards that time, you're supposed to take the call input, so that you can make certain points. But right now the nifty itself is 25,600, so of course it is not a advisable thing. As we are SEBI registered entity, so we can guide you, or we can teach you that how we supposed to take the calls. But this right now, this video is not to give you any trading calls. Here we are just trying to analyze the market in both the sides, and this platform is purely given to you so that you can study and you yourself you can push or take the trades. So this is very easy and good to study, good for the study. Now let's come back and let's see, in case if I will just read. Let's see what my data says now. uh, so we have not passed any call. As we were studying, we have just mentioned that both calls have come here, and starting the C was in profit and PE was in loss. But we have, as per the data we have suggested, or we have discussed, or we have learned all together, that PE side pressure is more based on the data. So clearly you can see that yes, PE side is going towards the it is showing the positive PNL, and CE it is showing the negative PNL. Of course, this is not a trading call because both the calls are given to you. A decision is of course ours because we are studying. So study more and more, we try to study more, knowledge we'll get it, and we will be able to go towards more uh, correct directions. So in case if you want to learn more from Algologic, you want to study how a better way we can understand the movement of uh, uh, or the direction of the nifty, and also try to understand what is the probability whether that same direction will continue. And in case if you want to learn the more quantitative tools, more data driven method, so you can always get back to us, and we have classes for from a beginner to expert level, and we can take up those things. So let me go back and let's see what it is showing. So we see that 25 to 50, that means of course, uh, in case market has to fall down, 25 300 is a place where market is trying to push the market is actually having a huge pressure right now to pull it down. So you can see here 1110 again, C has taken over PE in open interest way, and 1030 it was PE. So in case if you see this graph, still it is a huge pressure. CE and PE is trying to overtake this CE, the open interest. So this is something is very challenging. That means 25 300 is a very strong support, or a very strong resistance. To cross that one, it is really struggling. And in case if it has to fall down, you can see after 300 there is a 250. It is a very clear indication that more and more put writers are sitting towards 250, so market cannot go lesser than 250. That is a very strong support there. And if market has to go up, so after 300 it is 350. So you can see here again, market cannot go above 350, because many strong option sellers for the call is sitting very comfortably at 350. So market is in a very strong range bound between 250 and 350. But of course 300 is a strong hurdle, which we can see in this graph very easily, that yes, it is struggling, it is struggling very hard to cross this 300 level, which we are seeing a lot of pressure here. And that is the reason why we can see here the pressure is, once pressure is created, then definitely you can see the movement in the prices. So you can see this movement here in the PNL form. Now whatever we have to take the decision, it is core based on our knowledge and our judgment and the graph. So what we have to do, so Nifty, you can see it is a falling, and of course the PE graph, it has to go up. So thank you for watching this video, and I really suggest that in future we will have you on our board and we can study together. Unlike many people, those they have uh, those they have taken our classes. Now they are in a group classes, where online classes of course, and you can study how to read this chart, how to understand the candles, how to make your own quantitative tools, how to understand what data has to be taken, understand and read properly, so that we can identify the movement of the or the direction of the market, or predict the market. And of course the prediction is based totally on the probability, the what percentage of probability the market can go in the direction what data is saying. So all that thing can be done very easily. We are SEBI registered firm, and I am Bangalore alumni. Uh, so basically we have a subject expert in capital market and risk management. So you can always uh, take up our classes, and thank you so much for listening and watching us. Have a nice day, and once again very happy Basant Panchami to everybody.